Hey everyone! Today we're recapping the first 5 games from my 100 Pygame Games challenge. It's been an epic start, and there's so much more to come. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Click the moving target, a simple but fun game where you try to click on a moving object as fast as you can. Great for practicing basic mouse events and object movement in Pygame. Game number 2. Snake Game, the classic snake gameplay where you control the snake, eat food, and grow longer while avoiding collisions with yourself. Game number 3. Endless Runner, dodge obstacles as you keep running endlessly. This one introduces basic collision detection and continuous movement. Game number 4. Avoid the blocks, dodge falling blocks by moving left or right. This one practices basic movement, object spawning, and collision detection. And last, game number 5, Laser Dodge, avoid moving lasers by timing your moves. This one adds pattern-based obstacles and requires precise movement control. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.